Hello everyone, I'm Eric Schaumburg with Schaumburg Specialties, the manufacturer of Shopcraft racks. Today I'm going to discuss cleaning stainless steel commercial bakery racks, and specifically stainless steel rack oven racks. So why is it important to clean stainless steel racks? Well, how do racks get dirty or require cleaning in the first place? Well, as everyone in the food industry, or just about anyone knows, that sanitation is needed to keep spoiled or contaminated surface substances out of the food processing area. And generally, daily sanitation habits and practices should be maintained. It's just a good idea. Well, to put it bluntly, just contact from humans touching the equipment is enough to require sanitizing. Even if there is no food contact with a rack, everyone knows that in today's COVID world, contamination is everywhere. Okay, I know you understand. So the biggest source of contamination or dirty racks is from raw food ingredients spilling onto the surfaces of the oven rack. Why, might you ask, should I clean my rack? Who cares? Why? Well, stainless steel oven racks, besides removing external contamination, the answer is really you wouldn't have to. The stainless steel material used in a bakery rack is very durable and corrosion-resistant material. Typically, the type of material used in a bakery rack or oven is either a 300 series stainless or a 400 series. That's the alloy. Although the 300 series is a little more durable grade, both alloys are highly resistant to corrosion. And the main reason for cleaning is because of external materials building up on the surface of the rack. The question is there a negative effect to cleaning a stainless steel bakery oven rack? Well, no, there isn't, with the exception of expense, time, and money. There is only a remote possibility of corrosion if a very strong chemical was used, and this would be slightly more possible with the 400 series alloy than with the 300 series. But generally, acceptable cleaning chemicals that are commonly used in a typical bakery or food processing would not adversely affect either of the stainless steel alloys I've spoken about. Typically, your stainless steel bakery oven rack will not rust or corrode. But if there is a negative effect to cleaning it, it is plainly hard work. After fats, oils, sugars, and flour, egg, water, chemicals, etc. get sprayed, spilled, splashed onto the surface of the rack and then cooked at 450 degrees for half an hour at a time and repeated multiple times every day or shift, this begins to build up and become a very hard and difficult substance to remove and clean. The reason for this substance is so difficult is that it has become a carbon-type material that is not affected by acids or alkali cleaning materials. Thus, the only real way to remove is to burn, blast, or scrape. This is where the hard work comes. So, where do you begin? Well, to start with, we recommend cleaning every day. This can minimize crust buildup, like you see here, meaning that deep cleaning is not needed or will not take as long as if the buildup is heavy, like this. That may mean a simple cleaning detergent sprayed on, soaking, then hosing it off, or you may use a pressure washer, which has more power to force crusty deposits loose. A rack washer is an ideal way to clean stainless steel bakery racks. Then there are more aggressive means like sandblasting and dry ice blasting and burn-off oven processing for the most difficult and dirty racks. Some of the cleaning chemicals to be considered are just a general purpose cleaner or a heavy-duty oven cleaner. These would have some effect. So, how long can you expect a cleaning stainless steel oven rack to take? Well, it depends. A lot will depend on your expectations. If just removing the heavy deposits are fine with you, then it won't take as long as if you want every last speck removed. It could take a long time if you have heavy deposit buildup. If you are doing it on a daily basis, it may take as little as the wash cycle of your rack washer. If you are doing this manually with a spray-on cleaner, pressure washer, or the likes, it may take half an hour per rack or longer. So my recommendation is to clean often. Not let your Shopcraft stainless steel oven racks become excessively dirty, like this one. Remember, when you decide to buy Shopcraft stainless steel oven racks, you may pay more, but this is an investment that will not lose value and will provide you with many years of service. So why not maintain this investment by cleaning the racks you purchase from Schaumburg Specialties?